Hello everyone, I'm Steve, a soldering engineer at japanunix. Today I'll be talking about a common question we get. What causes solder balls? Solder balls are small ball-shaped particles of solder that splatter and stick to PCBs. There are three main causes of solder balls, so let's go through them one by one.
The first cause is the impact when the soldering tip
Contacts the surface. Sometimes the vibrations caused by contact shock can cause solder balls stuck to the iron tip to fall out. Also, when the soldering tip is lifted off the PCB, molten solder could pop out, forming small splatters. To avoid this, keep the soldering tip clean and perform regular maintenance. Slowing down the contact speed and adjusting the angle can also help. The second cause is the wire feed speed. If the solder wire feeds too fast, the flux in the solder can evaporate, causing the solder to pop out and form balls. On the other hand, if the wire feeds too slowly, overheating can also cause the flux to evaporate and lead to solder balls. To avoid this, set the wire feed speed to the right level. Cutting small notches into the solder wire can also help as a countermeasure. The third cause is moisture in the PCB. When moisture in the PCB heats up, it can evaporate and pop out solder balls. To avoid this, make sure to control the moisture in your PCB components. This is especially important in humid seasons. Store PCBs in a controlled environment with low humidity. Those are the three main causes of solder balls. If you have any questions or want more details, feel free to contact japanunix anytime. See you again soon.